to a new video. This is our apartment tour. We are staying in the Eton residence, and this is what you can get for £40 a night in the city of Kuala Lumpur.
So this is all the facilities that the Eton residence has. So we'll start off by going to level 8 and we'll show you all of this.
So we are now on the 8th floor. Here we have board games, table tennis and a few more in a bit. So let's show you what's on this floor. So this place is absolutely massive. We've got several lounging areas, we've got two either side, and now we're going to show you the outdoor fitness area. So this is the outdoor fitness area. We've also got a private indoor gym as well, but just in case you wanted to do fitness outside. I mean, who wouldn't want an outdoor fitness gym?
So on every floor you even get a lovely view of the Patronus Towers.
This complex is so big it even has its own jogging path.
So even if you have kids, there's stuff for them to do as well.
So this place is still under development, but there is meant to be a board games and also a table tennis area as well. So this is the apartment tour. You come in, we have a full dining area and we have a full modern sized kitchen with an oven and a hob. And then this is the beautiful living space with a modern TV and a view of KL as well, part of it. And if you follow me, I'll show you the bedrooms. So this is the master bedroom. We have all like towels and everything included with a big wardrobe. Oh, and an iron. And then this is the bathroom. A full modern bathroom all kitted out. You even have little freebies. And we have a full-size shower. Wait, I do want to show the shower rain. Okay, so this is the second bedroom. A little bit smaller, AC throughout the whole building. Towels again, it's a very homely feel. We also have a full-size washer and dryer. So now we're going to go to the good part, which is the infinity pool.
So this is the sky terrace area, so come with me and I'll show you. This is also like another kind of chill out area where you can just come, relax and enjoy the view of the beautiful Patronus Towers.
Gravity yoga, chill out terrace, washroom, changing room, and we have a steam room as well.
So now we're at the gym, let me show you around.
sit. So now we're going to take the stairs up to the infinity pool, which is the best bit. Let's go. Prepare yourself for this amazing view. Look at this. Warm outside rainfall showers. So male and female changing rooms are separate and there's a sauna in each one. So let me show you. Even more outside lounging space, so you're definitely not short of a few chairs over here. So this is the last pool. I think this is a children's pool. Obviously a beautiful view as well. This place is amazing and it's full of so many different facilities. We hope you liked this video of the tour of this apartment. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and we will leave the link for this apartment in the description. Bye!